And in here we have the hydraulic pump for the rear ramp for loading and unloading. Super sturdy rear ramp, so when the horse puts their hoof down they know it's really solid and there's no hesitation to load. This flips down further to help the trajectory. We have the side blinders, there's your saddle racks. We actually have stud dividers that go below the stalls if you need them as well, and then that allows you some tack space in front of the saddles as well. Up above we have the rear camera for maneuvering, outside spots, and that box above the roof is the top of the hay pod. So lots of convenience, all in one spectacular equine motor coach.